am Jishan. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show about how to plant a pumpkin tree in a terrace. So this is my pumpkin tree. It is this much long. This pumpkin tree's leaves are very good. It reduces the level of our high blood pressure. It has many antioxidants. Just like calories it remains. It contains that many good things that are needed for our body. It has many potassium and many vitamins. This plant, how to plant is, we have to give some pumpkin seed in a place. So this is the place where I plant it. And here I have to give some soils and some compost, as I said in the last video. That again I am saying, so give some egg and vegetable fruit peel, keep it for 1 or 2 days, let it be rot, and again give in the plant. Don't give the only peels, give the water and the peels, okay? So here is my pumpkin tree. You see so much big it is. These are its leaf. As I said, bye guys. Meet you in the next video.